All right, good afternoon. I'm Chief Meteorologist J.P. Dice. Jill Gilardi with us here in the Storm Warning Center, and we've got a lot going on. We have WeatherFest, and then this mess that we've been talking about with severe weather next week.
Yeah, days of rounds of showers and storms, so it's not just a one punch and that's it.
Yeah, I think what's unique about this one, usually we have some severe weather, it kind of moves through and then it moves out. This is has at least the potential to be a long-lasting event.
Yeah, so we have several days still to prepare for it, and perfect timing with our WeatherFest going on tomorrow, where people can come on out and ask questions, and we can help program weather radios. And maybe if you don't have one yet, pick one up. We highly recommend having one of those.
Yeah, in fact, we can program that weather radio from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. tomorrow at the McWane Science Center. What we're looking at right now is the visible satellite and radar. Visible satellite is a little bit different than the infrared satellite. It's kind of like having a camera about 24,000 miles up in space and taking a picture of the Earth, the black indicating the ground there, and that means we have mainly sunny skies. It's really hard to believe that we have something looming on the horizon, and Jill, you can see the little swirl there that we're watching.
Yeah, that swirl, which we've been tracking, the models now will be able to sample this storm system much better as we get into the evening hours, and especially by tomorrow. So we've kind of had a rough idea, but we'll start to get a better idea of what's going to happen as this system moves on shore. And
it's now getting in the range of what we call the mesoscale models, where we can get some things a little better fine-tuned. Jill actually put together this graphic here as we're tracking the severe storms. We'll see that active weather across the plains, and then by Monday, even Sunday night, storms probably breaking out across parts of Mississippi, and then Monday afternoon it really starts to get pretty active here.
Yeah, it's hard to categorize how many rounds we're going to have. There could be 2, 3. I mean, either way, we have several chances each day, Monday and Tuesday, and maybe into early Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll see some breaks in the action, but still with the amount of instability in the atmosphere and also the wind shear, we could have some large, long-track tornadoes. Those ingredients kind of coming together here, and the scary thing to me, every forecast model run tends to get a little worse, a little bit more dramatic with the amount of instability. Severe weather risk for Monday and Tuesday. At this point, this is based on the data that we have right now. Pretty significant flooding risk, damaging winds, hail, tornadoes, the whole gamut there as we get into early next week. So the bottom line, sunny and warm this weekend. A few storms Sunday evening. We'll have to watch those carefully. Then severe storms likely Monday and Tuesday. And again, WeatherFest. Let's talk about it. 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. McWane Science Center, and we're going to have all sorts of folks there, from the Fox 6 meteorologists to universities to emergency managers. Anything you want to know about weather, I can assure you there's someone there with an answer.
Yeah, I mean, we're there to answer questions. Well, all of us will be there, which is nice if you want the opportunity to meet one of us. And of course, we're really emphasizing before this event to bring in your weather radio if you haven't already had it programmed, because we are a couple buttons away and we're done with it, and you don't have to worry about the hassle of trying to get that thing programmed. And then we also have many apps that are free, so having multiple ways of getting alerts is always key.
Yep. Anyway, we will hopefully see you tomorrow at WeatherFest. We'll be checking back in on Fox 6 News later today. Jill is actually on her way to the McWane Science Center, and of course Jill and Wes keeping you updated throughout the weekend. I'm Fox 6 Chief Meteorologist J.P. Dice.